يتكون زمن المضارع المستمر من في حالة المفرد I زائد am زائد verb زائد ing مع الفاعل المفرد he she it زائد is زائد verb زائد ing. في حالة الجمع مع الفاعل الجمعي مثل you we the زائد our زائد verb زائد ing. الكلمات الدالة على الزمن المضارع المستمر مثل
now, at the moment, at present, today, tonight, this morning, this week. Attention! There are several spelling rules while adding ing. Do, doing, play, playing, study, studying. For verbs ending in e, drop the e and add ing. Make, making, take, taking, write, writing. For one-syllable verbs ending in a consonant plus vowel a, e, I, o, u plus consonant. Double the final consonant and add ing. Sit, sitting, run, running, plan, planning. For verbs ending in ie, change the ie to y and add ing. Tie, tying, die, dying, lie, lying. For verbs ending in c, add k before adding ing. Picnic, picnicking, panic, panicking, mimic, mimicking. Ida is talking with her friend Mona at the moment. My friends and I are going ice skating now. I am playing table tennis with my brother right now. Zakia is wearing a blue skirt today. Waleed is writing a diary at present. My sister is doing her homework at the moment. Negative. I am not. Plus verb plus I. N. G. He. She. It. Is not plus verb plus I. N. G. Negative. You. We. They. Are not. Plus. Verb. Plus. I. N. G. My sister is not doing her homework now. They are not doing crafts. Ollie is not doing photography. Ollie and I are not playing baseball. My mother is not making a pizza. We are not baking a cake. How to ask a question. Am I plus verb plus I N G is he, she, it plus verb plus I N G. How to ask a question. Are you, we, they plus verb plus I N G. Are you playing hockey now? No, I am not. Am I eating a cake? Yes, you are. Is Eliason doing crafts? Yes, he is. Are Eliason and Motaz riding a bike? Yes, they are. 1. She. A book right now, reads. Is reading. Read. Two. They. Soccer in the park at the moment. Play. Is playing. Are playing. Three. He. TV in the living room, watches. Is watching. Watch. Four. We. Lunch at the restaurant. Has. Is having. Are having. Five. I. To music on my phone. Listen. Is listening. Am listening. Six. She. To her friend on the phone. Talks. Is talking. Am talking. Seven. He. In the pool. Is swimming. Are swimming. Was swimming. Eight. We. A sandcastle at the beach right now. Build. Builds. Are building. Nine. My family. Coffee at home. Drink. Is drinking. Are drinking.